जे लायसन आसा ड्रायविंग लायसन्स किंवा रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द स्मार्ट कार्ड ते तांच्या घरापर्यंत पावोवपाचें आनी त्या खातीर ही योजना आखली आनी आज ताजी सुरवात म्हाका दिसता इज अ युनीक सिस्टम इन इंडिया. कारण म्हाज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे एक महाराष्ट्र आतां चालू करता आनी त्या नंतर आमीच फर्स्ट आसा अशें दिसता म्हाका. वी आर थिंकींग ऑन PPP level to have all CCTV cameras all over Goa, rural road, major district road, state highways and national highways, which will be connected to RTO office, police office and also health offices, health hospitals, not health offices, hospitals. For violation and if anybody violates, he will be fined.
इतले मजगती भरमसाठ भाडी लावन टॅक्सीवाले टुरिस्टांक लुटतात म्हूण टॅक्सीचे डिजिटल मिटराचो इशू ट्रॅव्हल टुरिझम असोसिएशनान हायकोर्टान व्हेला. टुरिझम सीझन सुरू जातना 4 ऑक्टोबर म्हळ्यार धोरण स्पश्ट करचें म्हूण सांगून हायकोर्टान सरकारा कडच्यान एफिडेविट मागल्या. सुदीन म्हणटा 6 म्हयन्या भितर डिजिटल मिटर लागू.
We are already in the process to have digital meters. In next 6 months, we will start implementation of this.
नव्या जुवारी पुलाच्या पायल डिझायनान मातसो बदल जाल्ल्यान पुलाचें काम खंय मातशें लांबलां.
Now since the length of the pile inside the water is more than 40, we have to redesign the pile for the stability of the bridge, and that is the reason some delay of say about 15 to 20 days is there for foundation of the piles, which will be completed in next 10 to 15 days. And further, if any design procedure is required, we will see that all designs are perfect and will be approved from MORTH Ministry. My ambition to complete all the bridges, not Zuari, all the bridges which are started in Goa before 2019, including 4-lane roads. 6-lane road and 4-lane roads.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.